A delegation of registered pharmacists on Tuesday, based on RTI findings, flagged that till date there has been no recruitment through advertisement that has been taken up by the government for the sanctioned post of pharmacist in the Directorate of Health Services. A group of registered pharmacists had met the Health Minister and listed down their concerns, seeking her intervention. Meanwhile, Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo said that they will inform a committee which will be headed by Commissioner Secretary Dr. Joram Beda, who will look at all these concerns and find out why is it that this employment of all these qualified people is not happening as per requirement.
Very critical issues which need the attention of the government. So I have therefore decided that we will have a consultation with all of these unemployed pharmacists who feel that government need to listen to some of the valuable suggestions that they're giving us. So I will form some sort of a committee which will be headed by Commissioner Secretary IAS Joram Beda, who will look at all of these concerns and find out why is it that this employment of all these qualified people is not happening as per requirement.